Sorry for this mistake. M3 cube. Thanks, bro. Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for letting me know. M3 cube. May I know your real name and where are you from? Right? M3 cube. May I know your real name, bro? 10 p.m. We have started this at 10:35 p.m. I hope it's audible now. Right? It is still showing me go live. Let me check the sound or audio. M3 cube. Please let me know. Yes, it's audible. Please let us know your name and also where are you from. Right, so today, right, is it audible for everyone? It's good now, M3Q. Let me know your real name, M3Q, right? It's showing me M3Q, right? So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are live for Code Forces Round 11553. We are going to solve the problems, some of the problems, look at optimal data structures, and break down clean algorithmic logic. But guys, before we type a single line of code, I want everyone to pause for just 2 minutes. I want to share a piece of official national news that came out over the last 24 hours. This week, the government of India officially updated the Roll of Honor at the National War Memorial in New Delhi. On wall 3D of the Tyag Chakra, they have permanently inscribed the names of 6 brave personnel who made the supreme sacrifice during Operation Sindoor. For those who don't know the background, Operation Sindoor was launched in May 2025 as a precise, decisive counter-terror response to protect our borders and our citizens. The operation was highly complex, requiring extreme tactical preparedness under high-pressure conditions. Because of strict institutional verification processes, the official list of battle casualties was just released to the public. These 6 heroes are Subedar Major Pawan Kumar, Rifleman Sunil Kumar, who was awarded the Veer Chakra, Lancing Naik Dinesh Kumar, Aviation Technician Murali Naik, Havildar Sunil Kumar Singh, Sergeant Surendra Kumar of the Indian Air Force, who was posthumously awarded the Vayu Medal. Now, why am I sharing this on a DSA and programming stream? In competitive programming, we constantly talk about problem solving under constraints, zero excuses, and execution under pressure. But the pressure we face at our keyboards is nothing compared to the absolute focus these brave hearts showed on the front lines to ensure we even have a free, safe nation to build our careers in. So today's Code Forces live session is a respectful tribute to the unmatched discipline and resilience of the Operation Sindoor Veer Jawans. We are going to honor their spirit by bringing our absolute best focus to this contest. No slacking, no distractions, just pure execution. Let's Let us flood the live chat with Jai Hind or the national flag, tricolor emoji right now to show our deepest respect. And then we are heading straight into problem 1153A. Let's get to work, right? Let us start with the first one. Let us start with the first problem. Another popcorn problem. Bull of Satan. Hi, I'm in third year and I'm going to start DSA. Can I get placed? Yes, bro. Bull of the Satan. May I know your real name so that I can just call you with your name, right? Bull of the Satan. Saturn, I don't know how to pronounce it, right? Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. So let's go with the first problem, 1153A. This is the only problem that I have solved in this contest. Another pop count problem. So if I have to make this problem clear for you, first thing is we are given with some n and k. Now we need to create a sequence of k where the sum of all these elements, the sum of all these elements should not exceed, should not exceed n. But they didn't stop there. But they didn't stop there. This is the problem. The the thing is not generating a sequence of k elements and the sum of those elements should not exceed n. These are the only two conditions. Only the first two conditions, right? Generate a sequence of k elements. The sum of those k elements should not should not exceed n. We are already given with the n, so don't worry. So we are given with n and k. We need to generate k elements where the sum of those k elements would not exceed n. Bull of the Saturn, I think you are out of the stream, but let me know if you are in the stream, live stream. May I know which college are you studying in so that I can suggest you about the coding. And it's better to start the DSA right now. Many of the students are still, many of the students are starting in first year itself. And uh, I've also looked at those textbooks of school, right? I was wondered that they are also starting the Python programming language, C++, plus plus. Oops, right? All of this at the class of seventh or eighth. I don't remember much, but let me know your opinion. In class seventh or eighth, there were only six subjects for us. There was no computer science, and I know the computer science field is still growing, and it's growing rapidly, right? And it's also I have heard that there will be AGI, there will be ASI in future, super intelligence, agentic intelligence, right? All of these are growing rapidly. Now let's come to the problem again. So I think it's clear for you, but there is another constraint. get those numbers or have those numbers, like right, generate those k elements such that such that it gives maximum pop count. Let me tell you, let me tell you one thing. The pop count of this, the pop count or the sum of pop counts of every element should be maximized. I hope that's clear for you, right? Nothing but we need to just generate a sequence of k elements. That's the first constraint. The second constraint is the sum of those elements, the sum of those elements should not exceed n, and the sum of the pop count of every element should be maximized. That's it. Let me write that again. Generate generate a sequence of k elements. The sum of the k elements should not exceed n. Sum of the k elements should not should not exceed n. The sum of pop count of every element should be maximized. Now let me tell you what is this pop count. Pop count is nothing but the number of ones in the bit representation of an element is called the pop count of that element. Let me tell you the pop count. Let me tell you like this. Here is the element. Here is the pop count. Let me tell you for the pop count of one, the bit representation is just one, so the pop count is just one. The element is 2, then the pop count will be also 1. The bit representation is 1, 0. For 3, it is 1, 1, so the pop count is 2. Now, I have gone through many approaches. This itself has took me 1 hour to solve. Uh, this question itself took me 1 hour to solve. Right? So let me tell you the approach. First, we need k elements, right? K elements, k elements, right? Let us take k as 3. K as 3, right? Now, what are these? Let me tell you what are these. Let me tell you what these things are. These things are nothing but, excuse me, these things are nothing but the the bits. 1 here, 2 here, 4 here, 8 here, and there will be 16, but I don't care about that. Now, I have n as something like, let us take n as something like 16, let us take it as 16, right? Let me tell you why I took like this. If you see, I have three numbers. I have the set or the bit representation of those numbers. What I will do, what I will do is I would place why I'm placing like this. Why I'm going from 1 to 16. Why I don't go from 16? Why? Because if I just place a 16 here, that's the classic example by taking 16. If I just take an element with 16, then the pop count or the answer will only have one, and every other uh, bit will be zero, right? So if I just go from the top to bottom or the maximum to minimum, or the highest to the lowest, then I am just getting the answer as 1 for n is equal to 16. I am just taking one element which is just 16 and leaving all the elements as zeros, right? But I won't do like that, right? If I do like that, then I let us keep like that only. Why? Because if someone asks in the middle, why are we not going from the highest to lowest? Then I have to show them a proof, right? So let me keep it like that. Now let us come again. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. N is equal to 16 and k is equal to 3. Nothing but we need to generate only three numbers. So k is equal to 3. So 1, 1, 1. Nothing but the bit representation of these numbers. It can be till 32-bit integer, right? So we are still at first problem. And if you have any doubts, please let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Right? So now, now what we'll do? Now we'll do one thing. We'll place one, one, one. If I place one, one, one here, then what is the sum I would get? Nothing but I'm just placing one, one, one. Nothing but the n or the sum would become 13, right? Why? Why? Because I have placed one and then one and then one here, right? One, one, one. I have placed ones in the first place or the bit representation of one for all the threes. So 3 times 1 is nothing but 16 minus 3 have given me 13. So I just updated it to 13. Now I have 2, right? So if I place, how many times I could place 2 from the 3 as k? From the 3, how many times I could place 2? Can I place 3 times? Yes. 2 for 3 times, so what will be the sum? Sorry, I would place 1 here. 1. This is nothing but the bit representation. 1, 1, 1. 2 for 3 times. 8. 2 threes, 8. So 13 minus 8 would be 5. 13 minus, sorry, not 8. Sorry, I'm just having uh, overlooked. 13 minus 6 is 7. Alright. So I'm updating it with 7. Now I have 4. How many 4s I could place? I could place only one, right? The sum wouldn't exceed n, right? So the remaining would be zeros, right? I still have the sum as 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. But if you see, I cannot place any 3. I don't have anything left. I have already placed 2. So what will be the answer? Here 3 times, here 3 times, uh, here 3 times, here 3 times, here 1 time. Nothing but 7. The answer would be 7. I am going from right to left, from 1 to 32, something like that. 1024, right? So it's just a loop. For this 1 and then 2 and then 4 and then 8 and then 6. It's just a loop. Like for I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to what I could place is, let it be 1024. Let it be in int range itself. Then I is equal to I into 2. That's our for loop, right? That's our for loop. right? Now, how many I could place when I have one? Let me tell you, imagine I have 11, I have 16, right? So, how many I could place? Let me tell you. Let me show you the code so that you can understand it clearly. So, here is our code. It isn't having any string. Yes, this is our code. That's nothing but the slots. How many slots I can place? Now I am taking this as minimum. Why? Because here, if you see, I have 16. Now, 16 by 1 would give me 16, right? But do I have 16 slots to place for 1, the bit representation of 1? No, I don't have 16 slots. I only have 3 slots. So, the slots will be nothing but the minimum, sorry, take are nothing but k comma slots, minimum of k comma slots. Now, slots are nothing but n by I. The remaining or the sum which I can have, right? The sum which I can have place the bits. N is full 16, then it will be 13 and then 7, right? Now slots is equal to n by I. N by I. Imagine 7 by 4. What will be 7 by 4? Only 1. So I am just having 1 comma k. From that minimum is 1. So answer plus is equal to take nothing but how many ones am I filling there, right? N minus is equal to take into I. I is here these things 1, 2, and then 4, and then 8, and then 16, and so on. And if n is equal to 0 or something like that, then just break it. And return the answer there itself. Right, so I hope it's clear for you. As I am new to this contest, I couldn't explain most of the problems, right? I hope, or no. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel, right? And if you have any doubts about the first problem, please let me know. Here is the code for the first problem as the contest has already ended. I'm sharing you the code of the first problem. Sorry, Codeforces 1103, 1105, Division 2. And if you have any doubts, and if you all let me know how many of you are studying in college, how many of you are already placed, and how many of you got to know, how many of you got to know about the brave hearts who gave their lives in Operation Sindoor, whose names were officially released in National War Memorial by National War Memorial just yesterday. That means 26th of June, right? That's about the first problem, right? And that's this is the first contest I have given, and also the first the Codeforces live stream in my YouTube channel, and even if it's giving me less views for this live stream, it's okay. And please let me know how many of you are from Hyderabad, right? Let me know your college, and if you have any doubts about today's uh, the first problem, I was only able to solve the first problem. That's that's all I could solve, and that's it. And I'm building my channel every day. I'm building every day. Right. Let me off the screen. 1 minute. Let me search for the channel. So yes, here is the content. The impressions have arrived. How many times your video content shown to viewers? Because only impressions from not on external sites. So that's use. Okay, we are going live. What about the videos? Videos have significantly reduced, right? The shorts, okay, the shorts have. Okay. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay, right, and this is my lead code profile. I'm not doing great in code forces. I'm just how many problems? 61 problems away. To hit 1000 problems. Right. So if you have any doubts, or please let me know. Please let me know. If you already know about about our National War Memorial releasing officially releasing the names of the six brave hearts their lives who have given their lives for the nation. Right? Please let me know where are we from. Right? And if you have any doubts about data structures and algorithms, or you're just starting this BSc, then please let me know. Right? So you can ask me if you have any doubts. Right? 10. Yes. Okay. Hey bro, I have to start lead code. I know basic. of Java till collection framework. From where I should start? Hi bro, may I know your name? I want to start. Okay. Okay. May I know your name so that I can call you by your name? Right. And please let me know which college are you studying with. Which college are you studying in? Right. Yes. So, so yes, that you are new. I'm Karthik, but you can call me Tempest. Okay. It's okay, bro. Karthik. So, if you are new, if you are new to DSA, right, entire coding, then I would say you can start with the arrays, right? I'm sharing you my uh, Instagram profile in the live chat. You can you can message me, you can follow me, right? And let me tell you with a good roadmap which have worked for me. I'm graduated. It's about 6 months. Okay, right. It's okay, bro. Please let me know which college are you from, right? So there is a roadmap in Neat Code which helps you. But let me tell you, first start with arrays, then move to strings. By the time I'm not beginner in coding, doing coding from 11th class. That's good, bro. If you are coding from 11th class, it will be easier for you. You can start with arrays and then go to strings and have the hash map. When you learn the hash map, also revise revise arrays. It's not good college law. It's okay, bro. Karthik, it's okay. Most of the people, most of the engineers, the BTechs are from same same colleges, There is some category, top one, tier one, tier two, right? So revise arrays plus hash map problems. Same with strings plus hash map problems. After this, go to some algorithms. Algorithms like prefix sum, KMP algorithm to find, yes, KMP algorithm. There is another algorithm. I couldn't get it. Right? KMP algorithm, prefix sum algorithm, sweep line even. It's tier 100 probably. That's a nice one. Tier 100. Yeah. May I know your city? Where are you from? Or which state are you from? Right? So prefix sum, KMP, and sweep line. There are many algorithms, right? Then, after having these algorithms keep in mind, you can solve some arrays and string problems. Then go to this stack, then queue, then monotonic stack. I was doing DSA pattern while using two pointer sliding window, etc. Yeah, it's good. I also forgot to mention this sliding window and also two pointer. If you are good with this two pointer and sliding window, I would say go to stack and then go to queue and then monotonic queue. Then after this, 1 second, 1 second. I have forgot one thing. Sliding window. Yes, binary search. Binary search. I've solved in this way. Stack, queue, monotonic stack, and then binary search. Then, then you can go with the priority queue. By the time you reach this priority queue, it will you think that DSA is easy, but don't get into that conclusion. You'll be having recursion, you'll be having backtracking. Then, after solving this, start with, I won't say DP, start with this graphs. Then go to trees. In graphs, go with every algorithm, right? Go with the, I can't, I'm from Uttarakhand. I can't understand Dutch national flag algorithm. I'm hearing, okay, is it in graphs? Wait a second, let me search it in my mobile. What is Dutch national flag algorithm? If I knew it already, I will tell you. Three-way partition method designed by Edgar Dijkstra to sort an array containing three unique values in a single pass. It achieves a linear time complexity of big O of n and a constant space complexity of big O of 1. Karthik bro, I think you are doing masters in computer science, right? I had this for first time. This Dutch god. Okay, sort colors problem. 0, 1, 2. Okay, there will be three pointers, low, mid, and high. Yeah, that's just a sort colors problem. You cannot understand that. How can you solve that? Imagine you have three things: 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0. This needs to be transformed like how many times I have 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times, 1, 1, 1. How many times I have 2 for 3 times? Imagine I have three things: low, mid, and high. Let me look at the live chart. Dutch national flag algorithm. Okay. So I'm currently looking for development job. I'm not gonna do master. Yeah, it's just I'm just kidding though. So I thought it's some Dijkstra algorithm or a graphs algorithm, but it is just sorting one. I think I didn't have it, but it's just the sort colors. We'll be having low, mid, and high. How do I sort this? I have 2, I have 0, right? But there is one thing. I think I have to swap it, right? Swap it, or do I have to just make a move one by one? We'll just initialize low is to 0 and mid is to 0, right? And where high will be here at the end. Now, while our mid, this one, is less than or equal to high, if the array of mid is 0, it is not 0, right? If it is the least element, if our mid is at the least value or 0, then I'll just swap it. If mid is if mid is 0, swap with low. Nothing but imagine I'm somewhere in the middle for the mid. Then I would swap it with the lowest one. Now if the mid is just high, What if the mid is high? Mid is 2, nothing but it needs to go to the last swap with high. Now, what I would do is decrement high. Here, I would increment low and also increment mid. Now, if mid is just 1, if mid is just 1, then increment mid. No need of any swapping. Mid is just at the position which it needs to be there. But when mid is 0, it needs to be swapped with low, right? Because it is not in the correct place. I would swap it and just increment both of the low and mid. Okay. I wasted a whole day to understand this and kind of at the end. Do you think I can get a dev job even I don't know good DSA? I know jobs and have some solid ideas to get on the entry-level job. How much DSA required? This takes a lot of time. Yes, bro. I would say if you have less time. But let me know, do you understand this? If we are just saying mid is for 1, high is for 2, low is for 0. This is the only thing which I am keeping in mind in the Dutch national flag always. Right. Now, as you have asked me, my suggestion is go with Need Code 150. As you are feeling that DSA would require much days, much months. So I would say 150. Solve if you have whole day, solve 5 problems. If you have whole day. But don't solve it like just copy paste the solution and just say to yourself that I have solved it. Don't do like that. Just go and understand it. Understand the pattern. Don't they say it like Ratti Marga. Don't buy hard it. Just understand the pattern so you can solve the similar type of questions. There will be same type of questions in the NEET code 150. No matter where you go, you will have the but I need basic understanding of topic, right? Yes. So what for that you can go with the website. There's also a website for NEET code where by reading those docs. Yes, 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 I could complete it, right? Recursion backtracking graphs and so if you complete the graphs, all those algorithms, I think DFS, BFS, here DFS, and then BFS, and then TopoSort, and then Dijkstra, shortest path. This is the Dijkstra itself, right? These four, and then trees will be having the uh, same, traversals, all traversals. Then comes the dynamics programming. Complete the knapsack. Then you can go with some of the problems like climbing stairs, which uses 1D DB, then go to 2D DB, right? So that's all I could suggest to you, right? Also doing DSA, and some of the times I cannot solve some of the 3D DB problems, some of the 4D DB, some of the DGDB. You are creating some roadmap, yes. So this is the roadmap, bro. This is the roadmap I could suggest you. You know, the writing is horrible, but I hope you understand. Right? You can take a screenshot, and if you have any doubt in that, please let me know in my Instagram. And we'll be ending this live stream in 11 minutes. And anyone who haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Right. We aren't, let me take a screenshot. Yes, bro. You can definitely take a screenshot. You can definitely take a screenshot. Yes, I have LinkedIn. Let me share you the LinkedIn. Let me type it. linkedin.com/im/ sorry, or size www.linkedin.com/im/r size. I have sent the LinkedIn. Wait a second. linkedin.com/ why isn't giving me a yes, you can type that, or you can just type Sai Sidhu Ragipani. Search Sai Sidhu. Let me write it. Don't follow any fake accounts. There will be an account with 2000 plus followers. Please follow that account. Right? Don't follow. I'm saying this again. Don't follow any account which is with my name and lesser than 2000 followers. Follow only that account which is having 2000 followers. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Please take this screenshot. Sai Sidhu Ragipani. Kartika, got your request. Let me accept the request. Yes. Shall I visit your profile? Aren't you doing any IU? Since when are you doing this? Bro, I'm doing BSA. I'm doing BSA from second year, I think. Not second year. Let me see. 2024. Yes. From that, I was being consistent. From June 2024, I was consistent. It's 2 years, right? And I'm doing an internship. That internship would end this month, and I would be converting to full-time role. So I'm 2026 passed out. By God's, uh, you know, by God's grace, I have cleared all the subjects. Yes, I'm in college, bro. I've completed the, I've completed the degree. I'm just waiting for the certificates. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I hope it's audible for you. Yes, yes, I'm in college. Yes, yes, bro. I'm in college. Right, as I'm doing internship, I don't have to go to college, and the college has already ended. I written the exams last month. I also got the results, and I'm just waiting for the certificate. The exam is also completed. Yes, bro. Thank you. Karthik. You will get into great company. Thank you. Thank you for wishing me. I hope I go. Yes, I'm just doing an internship. You know, here. Wait a second. Let me tell you. 1039 problems solved in C++. You have great DSS skills. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Karthik, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Right. Thank you very much. And make sure you make and tell your friends about our channel. We are still growing. We're still growing our channel. When I started this channel on November, this, when I was just consistent for 4 months, I got the confidence, not confidence. Don't add, I didn't add. Which company are you targeting? Yeah, right. I'm not targeting like the company, like this company should be the goal, or this company. Not like that. The company which gives you skills, the company which gives you tasks, which gives you problems, which gives you the career, which gives you life. That's the company. That's the dream company. It's not like the tag of Google, the tag of Microsoft. Not like that. I know the companies Google and Microsoft pays much and also have work. You'll meet peers who are from IITs, MITs, who are great minds. Let me tell you, it's not like I'm aiming for a company or a salary. I'm aiming for career, right? A great career which can, it's like life. Yes, it's like Google or Microsoft, something like that. But it takes time. Might take much years. I don't know when it will be, but yes, I'm looking for. Let me be blunt. I'm just looking for a good companies, MNC companies like Microsoft, Google. Yes, even if the companies are not like Microsoft or Google, even if they are at the same level, right? Meta, Uber. There are many companies like that. Got it. Right. Yes, bro. And it's very hard to get out of the company to get skills. That the job market is very tight, and most of these companies are asking for 5, 10, 15 years experience, really experience. It's minimum that you get only 2 to 3 years experience. You can go to those companies. Do you have any dev skills on? Any interest on development? Yes, bro. Like I have the skills in different. things, not like as you said, you have the skills in Spring Boot. I don't have the specific word. I could say I can say that I have some skills in Node.js, React, Angular, also SQL. The things which are like JavaScript, you can say JavaScript, right? Yes. So may I know about you, right? Other than Spring Boot, and also I worked on MongoDB, SQL, and also I worked on yes Node.js. Right, I've developed most of my college projects in Node.js. Right. So yes, if you have any doubts about the DSA or anything like that, please let me know. Yes, please let me know about your doubts. Most of the company don't expect good skills from fresher. Have good days, you can learn anything. Yes, bro. It's time. Most of the times I feel like, you know, having this much DSA, having solved 1000 and you can watch my YouTube channel where I have solved and also explained 400 problems. I could bet on you. I, I, I explained more than roughly 280 problems to most probably 300 problems in YouTube are medium. And I could say that I have solved and explained like 30 to 40 hard problems. I also explained 2 to 3 digit DP problems. You know, there would be views on those problems, but most of the people would still stuck, right? The digit DP is something like Fenwick tree. Another thing is Fenwick tree. You know, yeah, freshers aren't expecting, but the company openings are like that. Most of the companies are not even having opening positions for freshers, right? And Karthik bro, please let me know. Please let me know if you knew any companies, if you knew any companies which are hiring freshers, please let me know. Right? So already 1 hour, and I still remember last year. Yes, Karthik bro. We are already connected in LinkedIn. You can ping me there. You can just message me there, right? If you have any doubts. Yes, yes, thank you. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you very much. Yes, yes, bro. Let me tell you, Codeforces, from 7 problems, I think, let us go to the problem set. The problem set is what for 6 problems I was able to solve only one problem, right? Only one problem. See, what is this 74? Participants solve this problem is 74. The last problem solved is 74. But how many? Let's just take 11,000 to 12,000. Bro, you can apply former call. My friends is in former code. Okay, bro, let me look at it. Let me make this as full screen. Now, is it former core or former core? Mercore. Okay, Mercore carriers. Yes, thank you, bro. TPM. Wait a second. Thank you, bro. Can you please send his profile? Technical program manager, right? Backend engineer, brand visual engineer, data engineer. But full-time on-site. Most of these are on-site. Okay, TPM, technical program manager. Wait a second. Most of them are on-site. Such Shashwat Hussain. Okay. Okay. Shashwat. Yes. Yes, bro. I'm not showing you the screen because it might leak some of my personal data as I'm searching. And also I'll open my LinkedIn. You can also see my messages. That's why I'm not showing you the screen. Yeah. I also looked at the company portal, credits portal, right? Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you for understanding. Thank you very much. And also thank you for letting me know about this company, right? and let me know. You see, most of the coders, it's from my second year of BTech. The sleep schedule have not been good, right? The sleep schedule is like that. It's like that. We cannot change it. We cannot change it. It's how it is, right? Yes, if you have any doubts in DSA and you want to connect this company giving good package as well. Okay, yes, yes, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you very much. Yes, it's good, bro. It is paying 15 LPA to 50 LPA, depending on the candidate's skills and the specific US-based client they are matched with through the platform and get in this company easily. Yeah, yeah. Let me think about it. I'll also definitely apply for this job. Thank you, thank you, bro. If any time, copy, bro. If you need any help, right? Please let me know. I would do from my side. I would do from my side. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, bro. And please, anyone who, wait a second, how do I, yes, let's come back. Let's come back. One second, one second. I've closed all the other tabs. If anyone haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Yes, bro. Thank you very much. And what's the time you go to bed? Right. Most of the coders are, you say, you see this, most of us, we do. We do sleep at 2 a.m., sometimes 3 a.m., depends, 1 a.m. We debug codes, we debug most of the production, and we don't know when it becomes 1 a.m., when it becomes 2 a.m. We don't know it, right? And anyone who are new to this live stream, please let me know. Yes, 12. Yeah. If it's home, we need to sleep by 12, bro. That's the same thing. If I'm at home, I would go to sleep at 11 itself. At 11 itself. If I am at home, I would go to sleep at why? Because it's family, right? It's home. You cannot sleep at 12 a.m. and then waking up late, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. You cannot wake up, stay late. Ritesh Raghav Hydro just a small dot right now I'm learning Java for DSA and I feel like it's kind of hard to do DSA in Java for DSA. But I want to learn back in Java, so still thinking switch to Python for later. Let me tell you your name. If I'm at hostel, I sleep at 4 a.m. God, what? God damn it. 4 a.m. That's that's insane, bro. Karthik, bro. Ritesh Raghav, let me tell you, Java is itself in DSA. People say it as hardest, hardest. There is no doubt. Python is the medium. Python is the easiest one. Let me tell you. Python is easy, but C++ is moderate. I would, I would, uh, I would place it in this order, easiest. But let me tell you, these two are the things which could help you. This Java, this Python. C++ will be used in gaming platforms. Python and Java will be used in most of the development. No matter, even if it is hardest in Java, if you think it will help you in future, if you think same question, Ritesh. Yes. If you think it is helpful and you want to go development also in Java, then I would tell you Java in DSA, go for it. Let me tell you one thing, it doesn't matter if it is Java, if it is C++, if it is Python. It is just one thing which you have to build in DSA, that is logic. That's logic, not about the syntax. If there is another, imagine some other person comes and says, there is a new language, bro, which is nothing but AI language. But you don't know how to optimize the code. You don't know what is the logic that's used in that. How do we can optimize optimize it? How we can debug it? How we can write the code? In Java, syntax is difficult, but logic will be same. Yes, every language, the logic is the same thing. The only thing which is important is the logic itself. The only thing which changes is syntax. Don't worry. I solved the rotate the array and this was my code. Okay. Send me the code, bro. Send me the code. You can send me the code. Or you can just, you know, I have given the LinkedIn and also the Instagram. Let me give you the LinkedIn thing again. Wait a second. Wait a second. www.linkedin.com/in/rsict. Yes. You can go there, send me a request. Karthik bro, I also tried C++. I feel same. Yes, bro. Every language, the only thing which differs is syntax. The logic remains the same. The logic is the same. You only have changed the syntax. That's it. And if you go to a company, they don't look at your code. They don't look at your syntax. They look at how are you approaching. Wait, can I didn't. Yeah, I didn't get you. I didn't get your request. Really? I didn't get the friend request, bro. Yeah, yes, yes. Now I got it. Yes, you can send the code in this message. I'm sending you a hi. Yes, I got it, Ritesh. I got it. Now you can send me the code. You can send me the code. Java is a great language for building applications. People are looking for Java development because most of the coding was written in Java income. Yes, as you went, Ritesh, with Java code, it's it's good. It's it's a good thing. You already know it, then you can go for it. No, no worries about it. No worries whether it is Java, whether it is C++, plus plus, or whether it is Python. The only thing which matters is how are you going with the problem? What is your intuition? What is your algorithm or what is your thought process? Can you go with the problem, look at the problem, and go from the brute force to the better and then the optimized one? Can you calculate the time and space complexity? These are the things which matter. It's not the language. It's never the language. It's just the logic. The logic, right? Let me tell you. The thought process is the thing which you have to worry about, which you have to concern about. It's never about the language. Yes, I have discovered 1 second. Wide rotate. Start line is equal to clear order. Yes, bro. 1 second. I think we can discuss about this problem in Discord. Let me tell you. Rotate image, right? This one is rotate image. To get list suited to do lead code. It's common, bro. No need to upset. No need to get upset for this. I used to take a whole day. Whom should I used to take a whole day for problems. Some of the problems I used to sit after the contest. The third problem I used to sit at exactly after the contest ends at 9:30. Rotate array or image. I I have given the Discord group or the server, the community server link in the live chat. You can go there and join or follow. Let me tell you. I have already solved it, and let me give you, and also explained, I think. Rotate. When do you think that you are ready for contest? Like code force. Uh, Karthik bro, there is a quote. Let me share you. I think I didn't. Yeah, if you think there will be a right time, there will be a right time so that you can jump into water and you can learn swimming. The time will never come. The best time to sow a seed was 20 years ago. Keep that in mind. The second best time is now. So if you are waiting for a right time, if you are waiting for a right time, in general, we see can drag me or join. Sure, sure, bro. Yes, I am posting another link of the same Discord. There will be engine room, right? We'll be posting daily POTD and also the live contest or the live stream, YouTube live stream. I'll be sharing. Keep that in mind, Karthik. It's not only motivation, it's also discipline, right? Don't wait for the right time. Even if you just know arrays, strings, or you just set the problem, sort colors problem. If you knew only those things, those minute things, just go and give the contest so that you can understand the time constraints. You can understand how much time are you taking to solve one problem? How much time are you taking to solve four problems? That's what the assignments, the assessments, the coding assessments gives, right? That's what the interviews go with, right? So that's what I would tell you. I would suggest you. You just go and give it. If you can't even solve one problem from the entire contest, let me show you. Let me show you. You see, the first contest I gave, where I only solved zero problems. You can see that, right? You can see that zero problems. From four, I was able to solve only zero problems, right? Yes, we'll fail most of the times. We'll fail most of the times. It's okay to fail. The first two contests. See, 40,000 might be the number of people attending the contest, and I got 39,000 as the rank. The second one, same 30,000. The, for the bi-weekly, we'll be having less number of people attending the contest. So I got 29,000 as rank. The least ranks. No need to worry. No need to worry. Absolutely don't. We don't have to worry about the ranking of the contest. Just give the contest. Yes, I hope it's clear, Karthik. I want to see you in the weekly contest today. So, yes, it's today. Karthik, we will talk later. Sure, bro. We'll be having a contest live stream today at yeah, sorry, 9:35 a.m. Don't miss that contest. Right, so thank you very much, everyone. I'm also leaving, and if you have any words, please don't hesitate to ask. Yes, sure, bro. If you have missed any contest, give the virtual contest, right? It doesn't matter. You can just give the virtual contest. Yes, that's the spirit. That's the spirit, Karthik. That's the spirit. You can just start from tomorrow. So I think we are good to go. Everyone, a very good night. It's already 28th of June. We only have 2 days left to end June. Right. So thank you everyone who attended this live stream. And Ritesh Raghav, I think we should leave. I think I have to leave. Right. Yes. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much.